Retainer projects, one of the many ways that you can stay ahead using ProWorkflow Nexus. Generate a project just like any other. Select your template, enter a start and due date, then create. If you set the description field on your template, you can easily come in and fill out or check off items in your project. You can also add files, just like any other regular project. Need to add another month? Simply add your list from the template. At this point, you can rename each phase to the month that it corresponds to. Generating the new template means that you have fresh details to work on again. Need to carry your work forward? You can either select your items in bulk and move them to the following month, or if you need to duplicate the work, simply clone, then move. Add time and go through work stages as you normally would on your items. You can still add additional items if needed. Just use the Add button to add the item that you require. If you need to add additional notes on your project, why not create a note? Add the title and enter the information you would like to be displayed. Once created, you can see the date and the person that created this note. Additionally, if you have made a mistake, you can delete the note if needed. So lock in the work and not the stress with retainer projects on ProWorkflow Nexus.